Okay, here's another example. We have number 4 from the worksheet, and this time we're looking at a fictitious element x, and we're trying to find what the cell potential is for x plus 1 electron yielding x, presumably solid, given this reaction of copper plus 2x plus yielding copper 2 plus 2x with a cell potential of 0.46 volts. So we want to find the cell potential for this. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking for. So when we pull this out of this above reaction here, you can see where it is. Here's the x plus, here's the x solid. The other half of this cell, or the other half cell, is going to be copper metal going to copper 2 plus. So let's take a look at that. So that's copper and going to copper 2 plus. Now I need to find that on my cell potentials table, but first I have to figure out where the electrons are going to go. And I got plus 2 here, so that means I'm going to have 2e negative there. Now when I look up on the chart for this, I'm looking for copper, and there it is right there. You can see Cu2 plus 2 electrons, and that's a positive 0.34 volts, but it's the other way around. So I'm going to have to make this negative 0.34 volts because it's the opposite of the way it shows up on the cell potential table. Which means that I'm going to have to take my x plus and that's going to be plus e minus, presumably going to e. And I'm looking for whatever this value is, and that has to add to 0.46 volts. So whatever this value is added to negative 0.34 is going to give me that. Well, it turns out that that value is going to be 0.80 volts, because when you subtract 0.34 volts from 0.8, you're going to get positive 0.46 volts, which is what we're looking for. So the answer then is 0.80 volts, which according to the sheet is answer C.